how to invest on Kraken. And if you ask me this question, investing on Kraken is not that difficult. With investing on Kraken, I mean that you want to buy crypto or stocks or whatever like that. So I will show you today how to buy stocks, how to buy crypto, and I will give you some small or little tips. So first of all, we want to buy some crypto. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to deposit money on our account. We can do this with euros, we can do this with dollars, what you want. Now let's say we want to use dollar, we want to use ideal, and we can also change this to USDT, or let's say USD. We can change this to USD, but deposit money on your account, and then after that we can buy crypto or stocks. So after we deposit money on our account, we go to the search tab and we search for Tesla because we want to buy the Tesla stock. So right now we click on Tesla, we click on buy, we click here the amount that we want to buy. So let's say 100 euros, and then we go to easy bank transfer. That's fine, and then do unlock X stocks. So right now we need to continue country. Now we also need to verify our tax ID with our Kraken account. And after doing all these settings, you can buy the Tesla stock. So it's that easy. And now also the same for, let's say, Bitcoin. If we now search for Bitcoin and we go to Bitcoin, we can click here on buy, fill in the amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy. I want to buy 100 Bitcoin, review, then we can do confirm right here. And from now he needs our bank details, and then we can buy some nice crypto. So that is how you can buy crypto or stocks on the Kraken app. But what if you want to have a long-term plan? And first of all, I need to tell you, I'm not giving you advice or say what you need to do. But I will give you one good tip. If you have a long-term vision on crypto or stocks, please make sure that you buy every single month on the same day. So let's say you buy every month on the first day of the month, and then you will buy every single time at the first time in the month. Because when you do that, you have the DCA, and that means dollar cost averaging. And that means that when you do this 12 times in a year, you will have the average cost for your crypto or for your stock buy. So that is the best advice or best tip that I do in my opinion. But I'm not giving you financial advice, but just tell you what you can do. So a good way how to build a nice portfolio. Then after that, also, you need to create a nice sell plan, because without a plan, you will get emotional and then you don't have any idea when you need to sell your crypto or your stocks. So this is some good advice tips for you, what you can do or what I do. This is also how you can trade on the Kraken app and how you can play the game. Keep in mind, it's always with a risk. So make sure that you're very clear and you want to take the risk. And this is how I trade on the Kraken app. So hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.